Install the steel cable around the pool. Make sure the cable is installed above the skimmer. Feed the cable through the tightener and twist to tighten the cable. Hook elastics into the steel cable and pull them across the pool. Make sure they intersect at the center of the pool. Lay the cover flat over the elastics. Mesh covers weigh less than standard vinyl, so this can be done by 2 people or even alone. Tighten the cover. Make sure to adjust the cover promptly throughout the off-season if it begins to sag and gaps develop. This will reduce your chances of early season algae.